Ngipidang sebagai pi borok syakanika channel kejongi bat hakanika video ngin page yakin ki post ki berang select thamai po Meghalaya. Subscribe yakin channel but turn on your notification bell ru kana mo pinum do iki videos ki binga upload. Pila ban follow ru ya ka Instagram account kejongi. Yakin ki post la palai taka Meghalaya Health Service mentau banai arajar persau. Ki keteng juga ki post ki longkum ne. Technician, pharmacist, TSSU assistant, lab technician, X-ray technician, but dialysis technician. Kelas D lani katarik bakado bapilaban sama yiki applications kadeho arpupratrik banai Julai arajar apsau. Kabaningkong ka post technician kalak sapu pratali kawai haka East Garo Hills, kanyotali haka East Khasi Hills, kawai haka North Garo Hills, laitali ha Ribhoy, artali ha South Garo Hills, artali ha Southwest Garo Hills, laitali ha Southwest Khasi Hills, hendaitali ha West Garo Hills, santali ha West Janta Hills, kawai ha West Khasi Hills, but southerly ha Eastern West Khasi Hills. Educational qualification kalangkumne pelade ban pendap ya BSc lani diploma ha ka UT technology, lani BSc surgical technician, lani anesthesia technology. Ka post pharmacist kalai arpoitali, kartali ha po East Garo Hills, laitali ha po East Khasi Hills, kawai ha North Garo Hills, artali ha Ribhoy, kawai ha South Garo Hills, kawai ha Southwest Garo Hills, artali ha po Southwest Khasi Hills, laitali ha po West Garo Hills, laitali ha West Janta Hills, kawai ha po West Khasi Hills, but artali ha po Eastern West Khasi Hills. Educational qualification kalangkumne pelade ban pendap ya ka farm lani B farm lani M farm. Ka post TSSU assistant kalai khat southerly ha East Khasi Hills, artali ha po North Garo Hills, artali ha po Ribhoy, southerly ha Southwest Khasi Hills, but artali ha West Garo Hills. Educational qualification kalangkumne pelade ban pendap ya ka diploma lani BSc ha ka hospital sterilization technology lani CSSD lani kiwi diploma course ki bayahap. Ka post lab technician kala Hendrip Hoitali, artali ha East Garo Hills, arpoitali ha po East Khasi Hills, artali ha North Garo Hills, southerly ha Ribhoy, artali ha South Garo Hills, artali ha Southwest Garo Hills, nyotali ha Southwest Khasi Hills, sportali ha West Garo Hills, hendriptali ha West Janta Hills, artali ha West Khasi Hills, but laitali ha Eastern West Khasi Hills. Educational qualification kalangkumne pelade ban pendap ya ka diploma ha ka medical laboratory lani BSc medical laboratory lani MSc medical laboratory. Ka post X-ray technician kalai hendriptali southerly ha East Khasi Hills, kawai ha North Garo Hills, kawai ha Ribhoy, kawai ha South Garo Hills, kawai ha Southwest Garo Hills, artali ha Southwest Khasi Hills, southerly ha West Garo Hills, kawai ha West Janta Hills, but kawai ha Eastern West Khasi Hills. Educational qualification kalangkumne pelade ban pendap ya ka diploma course ha ka X-ray technology. But ka post ka bakado ka dialysis technician kalai laitali ha East Khasi Hills. Educational qualification kalangkumne pelade ban pendap ya ka diploma lani ka BSc ha ka dialysis technology. Ka age limit nagabanta borok kini ki post kalangkumne kerta ka beredo ka dekat prasnam ka bahedo ka dai life warsnam. But kandan ka upper age relaxation hado sansnam yaki schedule caste lani ki schedule tribes. Ka salary lani ka tulop jang borok kini ki hendriptali ki post ka dai 8,000 hak shibanai. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi bakwaban apply kini ki post pihaban apply online bat ka link ngala ai po description jaga ko video. Ki candidates ki beladap register lupa ki laban chu login bat hadin sa apply ki post. Bat kitu ki bampadap ki haban register shwa hadin pisalaban login hadin sa apply ki post.